Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Triumph Thunderbird LT. This luxury touring big bore twin cylinder cruiser from Triumph just arrived with only 13,000 miles. Really cool two-tone paint scheme, blue and white metallic. It's got the running lights, touring windscreen. It's got stereo system, fuel injection, liquid cooled, 1700 cc's. Saddlebags, top case. This bike is in fantastic condition. Come on by, make your big bore touring cruiser dreams come true for just $74.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. That was stereo firing up. Wow, that sounds good. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.